Welcome back. We are on our way down to... well, we're going down to Hyde Park to kill the raiders in Hyde Park. That's what we're doing. We just found the unlimited laser pistol. Unlimited ammo. Oh, there must be...
Someone there? I can hear you. Get me out of this thing. Get me out of here.
Is someone in there?
Let me out.
You still there?
Let me out.
Who are you?
My name is Billy. Please. I've been trapped in here for so long.
How did you end up in there?
I hid in here to get away from the bombs. But there isn't a handle on the inside, and it's really dark in here.
The bombs were over 200 years ago. You're that old?
I don't know how long I've been in here. A long time, though. A really long time. Please, I don't want to die in here.
Why should I trust you?
I'm really tired and lonely. Can't you just open the door?
Okay. I'll let you out.
Yes, I've been stuck in here for so long. Hurry up, shoot the door off. My legs are so stiff. It's really bright out. I haven't seen the sun in so long.
Billy, you little shit.
Hey, Billy.
Thank you so much.
So, what's the story with you and that fridge?
It happened so long ago, back before everything got wrecked. When I heard the sirens, I tried to find someplace safe. When everything started to shake and fall apart, I just crawled inside. When it got quiet again, I tried to get out, but there isn't a handle on the inside. I just want to go home. Can you help me? Please?
Where did you live?
Quincy, but I don't know how to get there. Everything's so different. It's all blown up. I just want to find out what happened to my mom and dad.
I hate to tell you this, but your parents are probably dead.
This is a discussion the kid has to have right now?
I don't
Yes.
believe you. They are alive and looking for me. Can't you please take me to them? Or at least to my old house?
I suppose it won't hurt to see your old home. Whatever's left of it.
I hope it's still there. I had some great baseball cards.
Oh, fucking hell. Kid in a fridge. Quincy. Oh, okay. Come on, kid.
I hope we find out what happened to my mom and dad.
Oh, my dear fella. You're still coming. Come on, Billy. Been stuck in a...
Hey there.
Cute kid. Is he for sale?
What? Never.
Yeah!
Your loss. You change your mind, bring him to my camp.
No. Not selling him. Dickhead.
After this, what say we find a place with a nice fire? Throw these clothes in. Huh. Seems I forgot my trunks.
Hold on. This way. Really?
Underestimate us again, huh?
Who?
No one.
Who's there?
What the?
These guys were They're gonna shoot us! Don't let them hurt me!
Quickly, run away then.
I don't think we're alone.
You dead twat. Fuck off.
Hey, Billy.
I guess I was in that fridge for a really long
Look
time.
alive.
Go on.
Apparel. Fatigues. Military fatigues. Military fatigues. He was in there for 200 years, you spastic.
I don't think we're
Don't let
alone.
them hurt me.
It's fucking pretty good.
Don't let them hurt me. Don't let them hurt me.
Give up now. I'll make it.
Don't let them hurt me. Don't let them hurt me.
I hope you were smarter than this. Hey. What the?
Don't let them hurt me.
Sam.
Good shot.
Wouldn't want it. Be going to waste now, would we?
No, he certainly wouldn't.
Look alive.
Go ahead. Whatever you need.
Mom? Dad? Are you in there?
Billy! Billy!
You serious?
Son? Is that really you?
It's me. It's really me.
Oh my god!
We thought you were dead.
What?
Hey,
We're
Billy.
ghouls, Billy.
Yeah?
The radiation changed us. Looks like it did the same thing to you.
Don't worry about it, Billy. Your dad and I don't care what you look like. We still love you.
I love you too, Mom. I missed you guys. It's been so long.
Hey,
Thank you for bringing us back our little boy.
You there, in the house. I want those ghouls, especially that kid. You can give him a peaceful life, or die. I tried to save him.
That's the man that tried to buy me.
Oh my god, they want Billy.
They won't take us, Carol. At least not alive. Billy, get upstairs.
Over my dead body. These people are under my protection.
I'll wear your eyeballs around my neck!
Hey.
This guy's gonna fucking die.
Look out! Thought I saw something.
Lights out!
Not that it's an option.
Nah.
hey.
Thank you for bringing us back our little boy. And saving us from that man.
So, how did you end up as ghouls?
We didn't make it to the shelter in time.
The door was shutting as the bombs fell. We both must have taken a lot of radiation.
I guess we were some of the lucky ones. Most folks die instead of becoming ghouls. Must be something in both our genes.
So that's why you guys look like me.
Yeah, Billy. That's why. Although it's really more why you look like us.
We wandered for a while, but eventually came back here. We've been living here ever since. Not really anywhere else to go.
Let me thank you. Take this.
Kid in a fridge. Pretty good mission. Right, okay, let's go back to... Let's go back to here. I don't care. I didn't think there was a... Oh, okay.
I'd like to trade some items.
I didn't think they... Right, okay.
stop complaining when there's nothing left to complain about.
Shut up.
Let's trade some things.
Oh, I've taken all of her stuff. Bollocks. Didn't mean to do that. He's a pistol. Damn it. Here's a pistol. I need some sounds. I need to give you a cell. Ammo, back, cell. I need to give you... Right, just a couple cells.
Just when you think you're safe, you're not. That's how they always get you.
Frowny face. Right, okay. So that can go in there. Cryo mine. That can go in there. Grenade. Nuke grenade. Pipe pistol. Gonna keep that. Oh, that's what I want to do. Can I make a rapid fire unlimited pistol? That would be interesting, wouldn't it? Hazmat. Destroyers left. Yeah. Good.
I'm gonna run some diagnostics while you're tinkering. Take your time.
Right, I am going to see what we can do with this.
You ought to be careful. I can fix most things, but people don't fix so easily.
What gave you the idea we're friends?
Feel free to see what you can do with my gun.
Life still ain't perfect, but we're surviving. I'll hand it to you. This place isn't awful. It's still a hole, but it could be worse. You'd better keep your mouth shut about this place. Can't trust anyone.
I'm going to kill you if you don't shut your face. That woman's gets right on my nerves. Right, look, this is 26. This is 26, but unlimited ammo.
What's the plan?
I'm going to give you this. Oh, no.
Hey.
I'm listening.
Trade. Fusion cells, laser pistol. I'll take both of those, and I'll take that. No. Marks armor piercing. No. No. All that. Poke that in there. That. Institute rifle. Laser pistol. Laser rifle. That. Suppose we're going to keep that. Apparel. Armor fatigues. Oh shit. Right, okay.
Hey, do something for you?
We sure can. Nick, come on.
Looking for something?
I'm going to give you this. Do you like it?
Hey.
I'll see what
I'm actually going to take away this.
I can do.
Weapons. But it's using ammo. I don't understand. Oh, it's there. Sell. Let's put the whole lot. Sell. Oh, I didn't mean to, what did I take? I took something. Oh, this is fucked. There's potential. It's not at all. It's fucked. Okay. Well, that was stupid, wasn't it? There's a pistol. In fact, we will swap.
Heads up.
There's something you need? If I got it.
I'm taking that back. You're having that one.
At least it's not raining. This place is really coming together, huh?
Right, we are now going to... What's that? Suffolk. Let's go. Right, we're going to go down here and we're going to go and see these raiders. We're going to kill them all. Every last one of them. Which will be nice. Need to get up high. Good old Brotherhood coming in already. She seems to have died.
You got guts. Well, had guts.
Gotta reload sometime, asshole!
What was that? Why don't you make this easy for both of us?
Big mistake, rookie!
Well, that's that.
Getting tired yet?
it done. Yep, you're dead. Ow.
Someone was expecting trouble. Asking.
Hey, pal.
Raiders don't scare me.
They will do when they rape and murder you, you silly little girl.
When I grow up, I'm gonna have my own farm and make other people do all
I
the
took
work.
care of those raiders for you.
Really? Well, that's the best news I've heard in a long time. By the way, we've talked about it, and we decided to support the Minutemen. I think it's worth giving another chance. The only way things will get better is if we stand together.
That's right.
Have you seen Diamond City? It's huge.
No, it's not. It's not that big at all, you silly woman. Data, report back to Preston. Oh, Preston, you're such a noob. Where's my silly bastard? Ugh.
Need something?
Yes, I actually do. But first, I actually... all armour stuff is now going to go in here. I'm going to give that to Preston, that. Oh. What? Apparel. What? Why the friggin' is all the stuff that I picked up? I'll give it to you.
Heads up.
Go ahead.
I took care of the raiders that were harassing that settlement you sent me to. The people there have decided to join our cause.
That's great news. One day, we'll be strong enough to drive that scum out of the Commonwealth for good. As usual, I've got something else for you to look into. I've got something a bit different for you. Our scouts have found a promising spot for a new settlement. Once you clear it out, set up a radio beat to let settlers know about it. Before you know it, we'll have a thriving new farm instead of wasteland. We'll take back the Commonwealth, one piece at a time.
Okay.
I've heard of another settlement that's in trouble. I'll mark it on your map. We can use all the support we can get.
Sanctuary Hills
so
again.
see what you can do to help. Is there something you need?
I want to trade a few things.
Whatever you need, General.
And I will take your army fatigues.
Just let me know if there's anything else you need.
No, nothing.
Okay.
I'm in a floaty chest. Fatigues. Right. Army fatigues, army helmets, combat armor. Combat armor. Yes, I know I'm carrying too much, you div. Military fatigues. Don't talk to me, Preston, you spastic. What have I got in my inventory?
Look alive.
Go on.
What's the matter with you, you whiny bastard?
Yes?
Okay. Is that a... Ooh, there might be a vault we haven't found yet. That might be all right. Silver Shroud. Okay, let's go around. Trash can. It's not in the library. Oh, Vault-Tec Regional HQ. Damn it.
Yes.
That's what I'm talking about. Go in the back entrance.
Good.
Move.
If it's giving you trouble, I could give that terminal a look.
No, I'll do it myself.
That's it.
Blah blah blah. Bullshit. Steam truck. Boosted. Oh, another one. That'll be lovely. Thank you. Pulse mine.
No accounting for taste.
Nick, shut up. You're getting on my nerves.
Funeral. Just when I thought we were getting along.
Going down. Basement. Going up. Lobby.
Won't be chewing on us.
Wow, good job you found a broom cupboard. This is excellent, isn't it? Whoa. Wow, it's actually working. Yay! A terminal that is actually working. Right, we're going to call it there, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.